In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft this blouse bustier dress. So the first thing you need is your bustier pattern, like so. Make sure to label the necessary parts on your pattern paper so you don't get confused. From your neckline, come down by 1 to 2 inches, and on your shoulder, go in by 1 inch and reconnect to get a new shoulder line, like you can see me do. Okay, so once you've gotten that, from that same new neckline depth, you come down by about 2 to 3 inches depending on how deep you want your final neck to be. So you go in from that point by 2 to 3 inches as well, depending on how wide you want the neck illusion to be. Then come down from your other bust by 1 to 2 inches and connect those points from the 3 inches down to the under bust and a point along your neckline, like so. And make sure to flesh it out. Okay, so you can see me do the neck fleshing out. Then you can cut out that upper part, is no longer part of the dress. Okay, so on the shoulder darts, we are going to take 1 inch or more depending on how wide you want that shoulder part to be open, and then you use your neck depth as reference and connect it like so. Do the same thing for the other side of the shoulder and flesh it out with your pen or pencil. Okay, like you can see me do. Okay, so that is just that. So I'm doing the fleshing out of the necessary parts on my bustier pattern. Okay, so after that, you then go ahead and panel your pattern paper into 2 parts, like you can see me do. I'm paneling it. I'm just bringing down my dart so that it can become 2 panels instead of 1 piece, so that you can be able to get the contour part out. So now you want to make sure you notch the under bust point, mark it out, make sure you indicate it, and then you start cutting out the shaded part. And there you have the front part of the blouse ready. Okay, so make sure you cut it out and label as you go. So for that mesh part, you'll be cutting on fold and you'll be cutting 2 pieces on fold. Okay, then you cut out the other parts and then you are good to go for the front. Okay, so for the back, you get your back pattern paper. You won't be doing much alteration on the back pattern paper. All you have to just do is to do alteration to the neckline of the dress and make sure that the shoulder align as well. So you can cut off the neckline, the shoulder dart on the back. Then you can decide to panel your blouse the way I did, or you can leave it as a whole piece that it was before. Okay, so you go to your neckline as well and you go in by 1 inch that you did for the front, and then you can lower your back by a little amount, like 2 inches is enough. Then you cut it out and then you cut out the dart part on the back panel, and there you have your blouse ready. And this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So let me know if you found this video helpful.